Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you're gonna want to pull down your notifications by swiping down on your home screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles right over here, and you're looking obviously for the power saving toggle, which might not be on the first page, so if you don't see it, just keep on swiping till you find it. For me, it is on the second page right here at the bottom. Now this is the default location of the toggles, so I presume you can find your power saving mode in the same exact place. From here, simply tap on it, select turn on, and that's it. You're good to go. Now, as you can see, there's no information on what it changes, so there's probably a couple things happening in the background, like the Wi-Fi and mobile data being turned off when the device is not being used. So if you ever encounter that your device is delaying the delivery of notifications for apps that are relying on internet connection, that is probably the fault of the power saving mode. Now, with that being said, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again, and everything will go back to functioning normally. And now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.